In this video I will show you how to fix the problem that is when you have connected your headphone or headset in your laptop, but you can see the mic is not working in your headset. In my case, you can see I have connected headphone, but it uses the mic of my laptop. As I will type something, you can see the striking sound of keyboard because of this keyboard, because it is using the mic of my laptop. So how to fix this? First of all, you have to see, go to here and then right click here, go to task manager and startup, click on startup tag. You can see here HD IDEO background process is disabled. You have to enable it first. And another is this Realtek IDEO manager. Whatever you have used, you have to enable these two, because when you shut down your PC and start, then you plug in your headphone, you will not see pop-up notification in which you can see use headphone only or use headphone with mic. So enable these two things. Then what you have to do is go to control panel, and then you can see here hardware and sound. Then you can see here Dell IDEO, click on it. Okay, you can see here headphone, microphone and advanced. Go to advanced and click on restore here. Then what you have to do is you have to remove the headphone and plug it again. Okay, now you can see you can use headphone only or headphone with your mic. So click on this and click OK. So here you can see you can enable auto pop-up, so you can check always this. So whenever you want to use this headphone only or headphone with a microphone, so you can see here all these settings. Then click on OK. Now we can see your headphone will use your laptop will use the mic of your headphone or headset. So thanks for watching. Please leave a like to this video and also subscribe the channel.